Good day, everybody! My name is Silver Rhapsody, and today we are going to make Sam Manson from Danny Phantom. It's a really easy cosplay to do. You can use a lot of the materials you have at home, but of course, if you don't have it, you can always buy it, and they're really cheap. Like, you really don't need any more than, I'd say, less than about $30. But today, we are going to definitely do this cosplay. Now, like I said, really easy. So, what you're gonna need is a black tank top, like the one I'm wearing. You will also need a purple piece of felt. I'd say you need one about a standard size. You can get the sheets at Joann's for like $1. And I got it in, I believe they call this like lilac purple. But you can go whatever purple you want. It's all based on your personal preference. You'll also need a black skirt, which will be a little hard to see from this view. A black skirt. I did not finish the back of my cosplay, but that's okay. I have plenty of time to finish it. But you'll need a black skirt, one that's about knee length, just so you don't have to worry about cutting as much. You're also going to need green Puffy paint, because again, you can get it at Walmart for like less than $5. And also some scrap black fabric for things like the neck piece, which I'm not wearing right now, and the wristbands. And of course, you need a piece of green, you can use a piece of green tape or green ribbon. This is a piece of ribbon I had just left over in my house for the little bow tie, and finally, a black wig. Now for contacts, that's your personal preference once again, but I do have purple matte contacts in, so they're that nice solid Sam Manson color, not with the iris and the eye and everything, and yes, I can see very well. Alright, so now I will show you how to make this lovely lady. For the tank top, all you're gonna do is take a piece of the purple felt and you cut it into a nice oval shape, as nice as you can get it, because I know felt can be a little bit tricky to cut up. But yeah, and then you cut it in a circle and just glue it on with like, the best glue I'd say is probably hot glue, but you have to use enough to where it'll stick. Like, this is actually an old tank top I've had, because if you look underneath, Spider Girl used to be there. But yeah, all I did was just take the felt, glue it on, and that's the whole top. And now I will show you how to make the skirt. Alrighty, this is the skirt. And to make this really easy, you just take the jar of Puffy paint, and basically you're just going to be painting some lines all the way down. Sam actually has a specific amount of lines, but I was so excited to get her done, I just made multiple lines so it goes all the way across her skirt. I believe it's like 3 lines going across, and then like maybe 4 going down on each side. But again, I wanted to make mine unique, so, but you do you with costumes. And basically, you let this dry, and it takes about 4 hours between each side. So this will take 4 hours to dry, set, and cure. But to speed it up, what I did, I took a hair dryer and I just dried over the top of the paint. So that way at least the top is dry, but that's up to you if you want to put it on and brush like I did. But like I said, you do you with cosplay. So yeah, just take puffy paint, make as many lines as you want, wait for about 4 hours for it to dry, then do the other side, and that's it for the skirt. And now, we work on the rest of it. For the rest of Sam's accessories, this is really easy. You get a pair of, I call them opaque purple tights. They're tights that basically you can't see through them. and a pair of black boots. They don't have to be tall, they don't have to be short, they'll stand all based off your personal preference. And now I will show you how to do wristlets and necklace, of course. For the wristlets and the necklace, I had a leftover piece of black fabric from a previous cosplay, and basically I cut big strips. You measure the measurement around your neck and around your wrist, and what I do, I add at least 2 more inches to that, so that way it fits around yourself perfectly. But all I did was cut out the fabric, and as you can see here, I seamed the edges just so it looks slightly neater. But it's all, with this type of fabric, it's all gonna scrunch up anyway, but that's fine. Yeah, so then then for how I close it, I put some clothespins on here, but you can close it however you want to. You can add a button, you can use Velcro. I tried using Velcro at one point with my other cosplay, but the Velcro I had was the wrong type for this type of material. So again, I just went with a clothespin, and it doesn't choke me or anything, so that's why I say always add like 2 inches just so it fits around you comfortably. And I did the same thing with the wristband. It used to be Velcro, but wrong type, so then I went to clothespins. Alright, and then since I'm already wearing the makeup, I'll just do an explanation about it. Alright guys, so now for the makeup and wig portion of the tutorial. It's really easy. Again, I keep saying really easy because it really is. A lot of people, for Sam, they use purple contacts, but again, you do cosplay how you need to, how you're comfortable with. I use purple mesh contacts because I wanted my look to look as close to Sam as possible, but you know, still being me. As you can see from here, it looks like my eyes are very blinded and I can't see, but I actually can. I got my contacts from a website. I'll put that in the description because I can't remember the name right now. But basically they ask for your prescription before even ordering. Like, they won't allow you to order unless you have someone to fill out your prescription, which I think is a really safe method of buying contacts, because you know, it's tailored to you. It's not tailored off a scale, which not everybody sees the same. Alright, and then for my eyebrows, all I did was I took a eyebrow pencil. It's a little flat right now because I've been using it all day, but you sharpen it and you make, for Sam's eyebrows, you make really big squarish shapes, because a lot of the characters on Danny Phantom have big blocky squarish eyebrows, which I didn't even notice until I started cosplaying Sam and Tucker. I was like, oh shoot, they really do. So then all you do, you just start from the inner eyebrow, and then you make a big circle, a big square, excuse me. Go down and you just do that until the square is filled in. Eyelashes are the devil for me. I put them on, but it takes a really long time. But a pair of eyelashes always helps make your eyes pop, because it brings out like the white parts of your eyes, so that way your eyes look more open. And then for the lips, all I did was a purple lipstick. You can do like a light purple or a dark purple. Sam, I believe, has like a lavender sort of purple, but I just felt like doing a dark purple because like I said, it brings out my lips more. But I've been doing TikTok videos all day, so it's a lot has rubbed off by now. But yeah, and then once you have all that done, that's basically your Sam cosplay. I know this became more of a discussion rather than a showing and telling, but if you have any questions about the Sam cosplay or just cosplay in general, shoot me a comment, shoot me an email, shoot me on Instagram, any social media, I got you. Alrighty, I will see you guys later. Bye bye.